Hey, what's going on? This is Grizz Productions. It's been a while since I've done one of these videos, maybe a couple weeks or just a week, but I've been really busy. And, well, today I have a very important announcement. This system is being moved. And you're probably wondering, Griffin, you've only done like 4 or 3 system tests. Why are you already removing this system? First of all, it's going to be moved into my bedroom because it probably is a better idea, and I'll have better ideas to make it more clean, because if we look up here, it is not clean at all, and it's just a mess. And we have inspectors coming to the house because there's an unknown leak coming from downstairs, and this is downstairs, so they are going to be tearing up this wall. And since this system is not very up to code right now, if an inspector sees it, they will tear down the whole house and search for wires, and well, that's not going to happen. So we're going to do this fast because I have school soon. I know I could have just done this later, but it is what it is. Okay, so first is disconnecting the main power. Just adjusting my tripod right now. You can now unscrew this. I did not do this. The people that removed this used MS4 are the people who did this. Main power is now disconnected. We will now be removing zones and NACs. Wires are a hot mess. Before we go ahead and disconnect the zones, we may as well remove this guy here. I'm gonna get my impact drill for this. Okay, so this. This seems to record. Okay. Looks like I didn't put the bottom screw on. I don't know why I did that. But I mean, it stayed on, so. Got a little bit of a mess here. Now, this guy is free. We can now start removing some more stuff. Also, I do not care how damaged this wall gets, because there will be a new slate of drywall added. So this is why I'm kind of just being careless with this. But now we can go ahead and start removing the last NAC. I meant to say zone. Okay, so here we are. wires are now free. So we can just toss those in the basement. You can now tighten these up so no terminals go flying and I have to lose one, because I've done that before. Hey guys, I apologize. My phone cut me off there. I don't really know why I did that, but I don't know if I'm gonna have to make this into a part 2, but I can probably just stick these videos together. But now we are removing the back boxes to the fire alarm system. Okay, that is the first back box. Okay, now this is the last one. I'm starting to wonder if I can just get my drill. See if that'll work. I don't know what's going on with that one. This guy, okay, what's going on here? So, I don't know if you see that, but it took both the wall anchors out. That was not supposed to happen. Okay, so, yeah, that was pretty stupid. Now, is the riskiest the actual panel itself. Look at this chungus beast. I had tape holding this screw, for God's sake, because I wasn't really good at mounting it, but I know when I remount it that this will be way better than it was. This either will fall on me, or it won't, which I doubt it will. But for the love of God, I feel the wall anchor coming out with it too. I don't really want that. Let's clean off this top before I mess with this a bunch. So that turned out to be actually pretty easy. So now what it should do is just come right off. And that's what happened. But well guys, I was gonna complete this video. It was definitely an annoying task. It's pretty unfortunate that I had to move it so soon. But I mean, I guess it is what it is. Thanks for watching this video. I will hopefully make a video on moving this into my bedroom. Thanks for watching.